Thomas.
I meant about the case. Let's go over what we know about the crime scene.
Oh, yeah, that makes more sense.
Fact number 1. Chocolate chip cookie is missing and there are crumbs all over the hearth.
Who would have done such a thing? It's crumb-believable.
Fact number 2. Milk disappeared last night too, and this morning his empty glass was found in the fireplace.
I agree. It looks dairy suspicious.
Would you take this seriously?
I am taking this seriously. Dairy seriously.
Oh! Finally, fact number 3. These sooty footprints led away from the scene of the crime.
Sooty footprints? Well, that's a toughie. What should our next step be?
Orange!
Thomas.
Foot pun.
Yep, one at a time. Step forward and say the line. Suspect number 1.
Ho, ho, ho.
No, that doesn't sound like him.
Nah, not even a little?
Number 2. Seems like it could be him. The voice is just as you described, and he has feet to leave footprints with.
I'm not so sure. He seems so jolly, and his belly is like a bowl full of jelly. Let's move on.
Fine. Number 3, say the line.
Thomas.
What are you doing in there?
I suspect. I don't really know.
Look, okay, I'm not trying to point fingers here, but we don't even know if any of these people are the murderer, okay? But I do know this. It's time for my...
Great. Well, Orange, looks like we're back to square one. We may never figure out who devoured milk and a chocolate chip cookie the night of Christmas Eve.
I may know something. I might have been hanging around that night.
Well, tell us what you know. Not so fast. I'm gonna go out on a limb and guess this info's a little more valuable to you than it is to me. Are you trying to bribe us? Orange,
Thomas.
teach this guy a lesson.
Sure thing, Pear.
Jake.
Listen, pal. Lesson number 1. Just buy off the wedding registry if there is one. Everyone's gonna be much happier that way.
No, I didn't mean a life lesson. I meant a lesson about trying to bribe us.
Did someone say bride? Ladies, do everyone a favor and just don't wear white unless you're the one saying I do. Am I right?
Orange!
Thomas.
Oh, dude, we're not gonna pay you. Well, that's okay. I actually learned some really useful facts about wedding etiquette. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Wait, so you are gonna tell us what you know? Yep, the guy who did it is right there.
Help me! Help me!
He's at it again! Get him!
Gotcha! And now to see who's behind this beard.
Rap-a-lap!
Gora.
Man! Wait, that doesn't make any sense. He was in the witness room with us. Unless... Milk and chocolate chip cookie? But you two were supposed to be dead!
Well, he would have gotten away with it, too, if it hadn't been for you meddling detectives.
That's what detectives do. We meddle.
I know, I meant it as a compliment.
Oh. Well, in that case, thank you.
We were gonna run away together, fake our deaths, pin it on Santa, and disappear to the Caribbean together.
Looks like your plan's really soured, eh, Milk?
Oh.
Well, another mystery solved. Cuff 'em, Orange.
Thomas.
But Pear,
Jake.
it's Christmas.
Yeah, it's Christmas.
Yeah, it's Christmas.
Yeah, it's Christmas.
Santa!
That's right. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, everyone. This is a day to put all those bad feelings aside and replace them with Christmas cheer. Here, Everyone have a little cheer on me.
Hooray! Thanks, Santa. I guess I lost sight of what's truly important there for a minute.
Happens to the best of us. Now what do you say we all sing Christmas carols together and get stupid? Wonderful! We'll start in just a moment, but first, I'm famished.
Day 21. Nighttime victor that we got. We just got nighttime victor. You know, the other way. First, we need to get him out there. Okay, so I'm gonna wear the tracks. Yeah, now let's have to put him on the collector's wheel. Okay, so I gotta open, so I'm gonna put Victor right here. Yeah, so that's day 21, day 22, coming tomorrow, yeah.